Pinakamurang garment store dito sa Santa Maria, naka-bodega price pala sila. Tara, yung mga kanus, alam niyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad dito sa San Jose Patag, Santa Maria, Bulacan upang bumisita sa bodega ng Zion Garments. First stop is their bed sheets. Meron silang 3-in-1 bedsheet, fully garterized bedsheet with 2 overlap pillowcases with packaging and label na perfect for gift giving and online selling. Curtains na as low as 130 pesos. Meron sila ditong Cretona, printed, Katrina, plain, jacquard, silk, and blackout fabrics with packaging and label na din. For pillows, they customize as well and meron din namang ready-made na. May iba pa silang items like doormats na rectangle and oval, pot holder, and comforter. They are open for resellers nga pala and walk-ins. If gusto mong maging distributor, they do the cutting, sewing, and packing. They are open for inquiries kaya message nyo lang sila sa kanilang page. For delivery, they ship through Lalamove, TokTok, and Victory Liner Drop and Go for provinces at sa Shopee. They are open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. Ilalagay ko na lang din ang mga rates nilang mura dito sa comment box section sa baba. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na dito sa Zion Garments sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. Let's go!